Hi guys, my name is Sebastian, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to this Dometic Hob and Sink Combination unit. If you're thinking about buying a stove and sink unit for your van, it's important to consider the size and layout of the unit that works best for your vehicle interior. Some Dometic cooktops are available as R and L version, which denotes on which side of the unit the sink is located. Your choice here could be personal preference, or it could be influenced by the location of your gas line, fresh water pipes, and battery connection. Dometic also manufactures stove-only models with up to 3 burners, as well as sink-only units too. For this video, I've chosen to install the Dometic HSG 2445, which features 2 gas burners and a sink unit on the right-hand side. Depending on your kitchen space and layout, this can be a great option for panel vans, caravans, and camper vans. Cooktops from Dometic are available in a range of size and styles to suit different vehicles. Whether you're looking for a stove or a sink-only model or a combination unit like this one, the quality and ease of use is guaranteed. Dometic cooktops come with a hinged glass lid, which provides you with the benefit of extra countertop space when the unit is not in use. The gas burners are fitted with 12-volt ignition as standard and can be individually adjusted when lit using the control knobs. The burners also include removable pan grids, which makes cleaning the unit after use easy. When preparing to install a Dometic cooktop, it's important to ensure you have all the tools you will need for the installation. First, ensure you have the correct size opening in your vehicle interior for the model you have chosen to install. If you don't already have the correct size opening from your previous cooktop, then you will need to measure and cut a new hole in the vehicle countertop. You must also ensure you have sufficient space above the cooktop. Dometic recommends at least 50 centimeters. Should you need to create a new opening in the countertop or widen an existing one, simply measure and mark out the area with tape. Then carefully begin cutting through the top. If this is a completely new installation, then ensure your gas line, electric connection, and fresh water pipes are positioned correctly for the unit you have chosen. Once you have the hole measured and cut, carefully lower the cooktop into place, and then fix into place. There are 4 fixing points, 1 in each corner. Then simply attach the screw covers for the glass lid to rest on. Now you have the unit in place. It's time to connect the gas for the burners, the electric 12-volt supply coming from the battery, and the water for the sink. Ensure your water tank is empty and that your gas and electric supply is switched off when connecting the unit. Your new Dometic HSG 2445 Hob and Sink Combination unit is now installed and ready for your next adventure. Thank you for watching.